The long wait is almost over. DJI has officially locked in the release date for its highly anticipated Mavic 4 Pro, set to launch on May 13th. This next-generation drone is already making waves. The announcement comes straight from drone insider Jasper Ullens, putting an end to months of leaks, teasers, and speculation. Although delays had tested the patience of fans, the excitement is now back in full swing. DJI's Mavic lineup has always set the gold standard for drones, winning over creators with its mix of reliability, innovation, and breathtaking image quality. The Mavic 4 Pro looks ready to take things even further, loaded with upgrades that push the limits of what aerial filming can achieve. Adding fuel to the buzz, a leaked unboxing video recently surfaced online, giving an early look at the Mavic 4 Pro's sleek design, enhanced features, and sample footage. From what we've seen, this drone isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete leap forward. One of the most noticeable changes is the new gimbal system. The camera now sits in a rounded frame, a subtle design shift that dramatically boosts stability. Thanks to a sturdier, more advanced gimbal, the Mavic 4 Pro can handle heavier camera setups while keeping footage steady even during aggressive movements. The Hasselblad name still sits proudly on the camera, signaling top-tier quality and color science. A standout feature is the gimbal's full 360-degree rotation. And like older models, the Mavic 4 Pro doesn't just tilt, it can roll and spin, opening up entirely new angles for aerial storytelling. Upside-down shots, sweeping rolls, and creative spins are now part of the toolkit. DJI has also taken a big step forward with the camera's flexibility. The triple lens system offers 3 built-in focal lengths: 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm. Whether you're shooting sweeping landscapes or zooming in on distant action, you can now switch perspectives effortlessly mid-flight without changing gear. Under the hood, the Mavic 4 Pro sports a larger image sensor capable of shooting stunning 6K video. The sharpness, dynamic range, and clarity this brings to your footage easily rivals high-end cinema cameras, making it a serious tool for professional content creators. In a major breakthrough, DJI has equipped the Mavic 4 Pro with a LiDAR system. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, allows the drone to scan its surroundings in 3D with extreme precision. This, paired with its all-direction obstacle sensors, gives pilots unmatched confidence even when flying through dense environments, tight cityscapes, or crowded areas. With smarter navigation, groundbreaking camera moves, and pro-level image quality, the Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be the ultimate drone for filmmakers and enthusiasts alike. With the official release just around the corner, it's clear DJI is ready to change the game once again.